Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name's Michelle, and for today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing of his and hers Louis Vuitton goods from Hawaii. So I picked up something small for myself, and then my husband picked up something from Hawaii as well. I didn't think he was gonna get anything, but when he saw these ones again, he just had to have them. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox mine first, and then I will tell you the price difference between the two items because we did save quite a few $100s, or hundreds, just save some money on some of the things that we had purchased there. So for this first one, it is something small. I am going to be using it every day. Can you guess what it is? So I picked up for myself the Louis Vuitton iPhone case for the 13 Pro Max. It's the bumper. I don't know what the specific name for it. Let me check. So this one is the bumper Pallas or Pallas for the iPhone 13 Pro. This one in the States retails for $415. And in Hawaii, I actually got it for $375 USD. I'm not going to put it on my phone on this video. I'm going to do it on a separate video. But yeah, this is what I picked up for myself in Hawaii. I'm really excited to have this one. I'm planning on having my phone for a while. So this one I think I'm going to get a really good use out of. But yeah, this is what I picked up for myself. I couldn't really justify paying like the full price plus like my sales tax here in California, but it was just a little bit more reasonable in Hawaii because I did save some money. So yeah, this is what I picked up for myself. Something very small, but I will be using it every single day. Excited to use it. I will do a review about it in a separate video, but yeah, I will be getting my money's worth out of that one because I do plan on having my phone for quite a while. Anyways, so this one is my husband's. He picked up something for himself. We actually saw these in Athens, Greece when we were shopping around there, but unfortunately they didn't have his size. But yeah, so he picked up some shoes. Let me go ahead and show you which ones. I love the Louis Vuitton shoe boxes because it comes in like this little slidey box, and then each shoe comes in these drawstring bags. So these are the ones that he got. These are the Louis Vuitton Luxembourg sneakers for men. He's usually a 8.5 or 8, but in these ones, I guess they run small, or I'm not sure, but he did get them in a size 7, and I just love these. They do remind me of like the ones that I have myself. Let me go ahead and open this one and then I will show you. But he did get these sneakers, and I love them for him, of course. And then mine, I do need to clean them, but these ones are my timeout sneakers. I think the difference between them is these ones are like embossed, and these ones kind of like puff out. So as you can see, they are similar, but they're not. I love these. They are so clean. They're so simple, yet with that pop of like monogram. These look so good. And so yeah, this is what he picked up in Hawaii. We did go to Ala Moana first, and the ones that he saw, if you guys are like thinking about getting these ones for like your husband or your partner, this one, the ones that he saw, they were kind of like so smooth right here, so you just kind of want to check the texture of each shoe. But we did go to 2 stores just to kind of find the perfect pair because we wanted to find one that was in really good condition, of course, because we were spending all of this money on a pair of shoes. But yeah, we did find a nice one, and they actually had his size at Ala Moana and in Waikiki. We didn't like the pair in Ala Moana, so we went over to Waikiki to go check out the shoes. But yeah, these are what they look like. So for these shoes, he did pay $880. And then with the sales tax of 4.712%, he spent a total of $921.62. These sneakers actually here in the US, or just the mainland, let's check how much they are. These ones are $940 here. on the mainland. So he did save 60%, which is I think around 10% off, which is just a little bit less than 10%. And yeah, so this is what he picked up. I do love these shoes for him. I think he's gonna get a lot of great use out of these ones just because they are white shoes. And he also mentioned that they were also really comfortable. I don't ever think he's gonna come on my YouTube channel to kind of give you guys a review, but let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, and then I can go ahead and have him kind of just maybe answer them from there, unless maybe he wants to do a YouTube video with me one day. In case you guys didn't know, it is cheaper to shop luxury goods in Hawaii for some reason, and Louis Vuitton, if you're looking to go there, it's around 10% off the price that they have in the mainland. So it's 10% off like the mainland price usually, depending on the item. And then on top of that, you also save on sales tax depending on like where you're from. So I'm from California, specifically from San Diego, so sales tax is like around 8.75 or 8.5. Sometimes I think even 9%, and in Hawaii it's only 4.712%, so it's almost just a little bit over or less than half of like what I would be paying here. So it's nice to save a little bit of money on that. But yeah, so those are the two items that we got. I did get a cell phone case. I will do a separate like first impression / review video for this one, and then let me know if you have any questions about the Luxembourg sneakers for men, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!